You say you can't use a belt sander to level out projects. Are you serious? Where's the glue joint? This had to be ripped because there was a bow in this when it air dried. Find the glue joint, okay? And the other thing is, where's the dips that you traditionally complain about with belt sanders? The key is, there's a metal plate right there underneath this. Consciously think about keeping that plate by using both hands to hold it flat. And you keep it moving. And you always keep the sander oriented with the grain. And then from there, you can go to a random orbital sander. And I like to go with the grain as well. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with using a belt sander. And the key with that is use the right grit. And on that belt sander, I was using 60 grit, which most people say, wait a minute, that's way too coarse. Well, it breaks down to about 80 grit after about 2 minutes of use and stays there. And then go to 80 grit, 100 grit, 150, and finally 220. And I defy anybody to find the glue seam when you glue up right. There you have it.